I'm sorry everyone, I just noticed after I uploaded my last HTML video and started to put it into a list that somehow the first HTML video got deleted. So today I'm going to teach you guys the basic HTML structure. So all the other videos will make a lot more sense now. That was embarrassing, but this will be at the beginning of the list, so hopefully only a few people had a problem with it. So for an HTML page, well, what an HTML page is basically every page you see on the internet. It's all HTML, or PHP, which gets turned into HTML. So, what you would do with HTML is make the opening tag for it. And a tag is basically whatever is in between the left and right arrows. The first one is always going to be either HTML or doc type HTML, which basically you're going to want to put this part before your HTML and just put it as the first thing for every single one of your pages. You don't need to worry about it now, but it makes all of your stuff work right in all browsers except for Internet Explorer, because that one's stupid and it doesn't really understand anything. Google Chrome and Firefox are the best. That's why they fight each other, and Internet Explorer just sits in the background eating glue. So after that, you're going to put your actual HTML tag and your closing one. And a closing tag is basically the same as the opening one, but with a slash in front of it. And now what's going to happen is that all of your HTML, all of your data that makes the web page, will go in between these two tags. Now, the first one you're going to have after the opening HTML tag is head. And that will basically store all of your information that is unseen by the user, except for one tag, which is title. Title is just spelled like title, and it makes the name of the tab. So if you look up at the tab of this window, you'll see that it says something about this video, and that is done from the title tab. So we can say test title, and then we just close that with the slash title tag. Then we'll just close the head with slash head. And then after that we make our body, which is just left arrow, body, right arrow, and since we're not going to go over anything else, it's just slash body. So this video is going to kind of be short, but I'll go over and explain all this stuff to you guys again. So doc type HTML will take information and send it to your web browser that the page is being displayed in. It'll basically say that this is some form of HTML, so read it as HTML. This first tag here basically says everything after this until the slash HTML tag should be read as HTML data and interpreted by the internet browser. The head tag says this is where all the extra under the hood stuff goes, and so we have title, which just names the title, and a lot of other stuff will go in here later, like meta tags, which I did not teach in this video tutorial because it's not really needed. But if you do need to learn about meta tags, which I recommend you do look them up by the time you're done with these tutorials, go and Google them. They're mainly used for websites that you think will actually go somewhere. If they're going to get ranked on Google, you're going to need meta tags. The slash head just says this is where all the under the hood stuff ends, and the body says this is where all the cool stuff that you see goes. So like words and pictures go in between the body. And then slash HTML just says that's the end of the web page. Thanks for coming, and I'll see you guys later. And that goes for me too. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, press the like button. If you didn't like it, press the dislike button. If you want to see future videos, subscribe. The next video series after this HTML is about CSS. After I'm done with all these web tutorials, I will start teaching Python again. If you guys came and looked for that one, came here for Python in the first place, I'll probably start going over programming again. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys later.